crazy at all. No, it's not crazy. DQ, it's not crazy. Do you want to stay here instead of going out to eat and playing on the playground? You want to stay here? You want to stay here?
No.
Well, why are you crying then? Your hair is not crazy at all. It looks very cute. Honey. It's gonna be okay. Smile. Smile.
Smile. That's a funny smile.